Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I am going to show you eBay product scraper to scrap the products data from ebay.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this tool. So this is the tool that I have developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. Feel free to contact me if you have any custom projects. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap the products data by using keywords. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will just have to run this exe file. Well, today we are going to do scraping by using keywords. Here are three options. First one is by using keywords, second by using direct product links, and third one is by using category or supplier links. In my case, I am going to do scraping with keywords. Let's type some keywords here. Once you type your keywords, you can specify your number of products that you want to scrap for each keyword. In my case, I am going to type like 40 products for each keyword. It means it will scrap 40 products for each keyword here. And this option will export data for each keyword in a separate file. I am clicking it OK. And before starting, go in the options to choose your desired data columns that you want to scrap. I am choosing all. And these are some additional features, and this option is the custom filters. I am clicking this OK and I show you how it works. Just start it. It will first search this keyword on ebay.com. Here you can see. And as we enable this feature, that was request custom filters, it is showing message to apply some custom filters from here. And after that, when we click it OK, it will then start to scrap each product one by one. Let's apply some filters here, like, and once you apply your filters, just click OK, and it will then start scraping. Now it is scraping the data, and you can count the number of rows by right clicking at any column name and by clicking show footer, and on the footer you can count here anywhere on the footer. And this option is to download the images for each product. It will download all the images for each product. Now I show how it downloads the images. It downloads the images in this folder. Okay, it is downloading the images, and it downloads HD images. And this option is to save the data in the database. SQLite database system is integrated with this tool. Let me show you. This is the SQLite, and data is saving here as well. And this option will delete all the data from the database if you want. And this is the email notification system. All you need is to type your email here, and once you type, choose your desired time interval like this one, but in my case I am choosing this one. Now it will notify me once it gets completed. And we have specified 40 products for each keyword. It means total products will be 120. And to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results, and I will show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, the scraping process is near to be completed. Now it has exported all the data and it is showing message that all products data have been scrapped and exported into files. Now I show you where it has exported the files. You can go output folder from here as well, and this folder, this is the folder where the files are exported. As we specified, auto export for each keyword separately. Now we have 3 keywords and it has exported 3 files with the keyword names. Let's open one file. Now here 40 products for laptops. Okay, and this file named with the current date and time, it contains all the products data for all keywords. Okay, now I show you how to export this data manually. Click export button and specify your output location first and type your file name like this one and choose your desired output format, and this option will open the file after exporting. Now the file has exported and opened. So this is our file. We can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our file is ready for use. And we has also enabled email notification system. Now I show you how it notifies. Okay, we have received an email and it is showing that all data has been scrapped, number of products and the application name. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.